Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Cyclone 2. This is a gaming PC controller that I bought off AliExpress. We're gonna be unboxing it. It's very popular. Hopefully it does wonders for my gaming ambitions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, where's me knife? Alright, I'll take a look at this. Yeah, this will do. Okay, so nice. This one comes with a stand. Oh, glorious. Okay. Yeah. This is the front part. So Cyclone 2 pairs with Switch, PC, and Android. Tri-mode connection. Let me get this closer so you guys can see. Software glyph swap. I don't know what that is. Hall. Click it, trigger stop, and there's a Gamesir Connect app that you can download so you can tinker with this. I think that's about it for the box inspection. So this is pretty okay. My bad. I think this is the back content on the back, and I think that's about it for the box. So let me get into it. Okay, now we need this. Alright, I think there's another one here. Oops. See? There we go. Just wait for this from the delivery center as well. But I'm enjoying this. Alright. So okay, so this is the stand. This is the stand. Beautiful stand. I really like how this looks. These are the pins for connection to the back of the controller, so you can charge, I guess, off the stand. And you have a USB Type A port and a Type C port at the back that connects to. That should connect to the PC. So set this aside and take a look at the controller itself. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy, but it is, and I like it. This is sick. Bruh, wow, the texture is amazing. These are protective rings for the sticks, I guess. Very neat. Get this off of here. Right, get out of my way. I am excited. Damn it. I've been watching reviews of this for like 2 weeks now, and now that it's here, I get why people, are raving about this particular controller. It looked big in the reviews that I was watching this whole time. Wow, this is nice. This is pretty good. I think, yeah. It's alright. I'm in love. If you think I'm too excited, already bought 2 controllers from, one from I think 2 from Jumia. Didn't work out well for me, so that's where the segment is coming from. Let's put this here and take a look at. This is the receiver. Nice. And what do we have down here? Okay, we have a Type C to Type A port. It should be about 2 meters and 1.5, 2 meters, and this is a manual. Let's take a look at what's inside here. Gamesir, is it a sticker or what? Just the game. Okay, I think this is a sticker, and then this should be the main manual. Okay, I think it comes in various languages. I'll take a look at it later. So let's. Alright, so this is the controller. I'm gonna be testing this out, and then I should be putting out a in-depth review in about a month. Let's not make it a month. Let's make it like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I'll put out a review, in-depth review. Let's just get first impressions. The grips on here. Oh my days, this is good. This is amazing. I like how grippy it feels on these handles. The button clicks are so satisfying, and these are Holyfed sticks. Should last a lifetime, and these buttons are so satisfying to press. Damn it. If you guys can hear. So I'm just trying to turn it around. Whoa. So there you have it, guys. Just to get a closer look at the controller. These are the grips I'm talking about. These are surprisingly well positioned. I thought I would be accidentally clicking these, but once you hold it like this, you realize you only go for them if you need them. That's if you have them in play or you're using it for any kind of gameplay. And I'm pretty stoked about that. So let's take a look at the back. These sticks are a joy to push. These are amazing. Alright, so that's about it for now. Just give you guys a closer look, so just get it close enough so you guys can see how beautiful this is. Just to, enjoy. Let's try this and see. I think the long press should turn it off. Exactly. And let's take a look at the length of the cable. Like this. Oh, not that long. It's about a meter. Really, Gamesir. Alright, we'll manage. It's alright. Okay, so that should be it for today's unboxing. I'll keep you guys updated as to how this plays and how it feels and if you get it or not. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.